How to fix the volume on an Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can fix volume on an Android smartphone, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it depends upon what kind of issues you have and what you're trying to get fixed, because if your problem is with the buttons, let's say they're pressing itself and so on, in that case you have to take it to a repair shop because it is an hardware issue, and I'm not going to get and dive you into the hardware issues, right? The only thing I'm going to give you suggestions are some of the basic software issues that you might have. Now let's say that your volume is relatively too slow than when you first purchase your phone. This could be due to lots of dust getting gathered within your speaker. So on Android phones you have speaker and microphone at the bottom and at the top as well. So if yours is at the bottom, then you might want to go ahead and remove those dust by using any type of needles or threads or anything, just to get that dust removed from your speaker and then see the difference, because that could be blocking your issue in the first place. Now if that doesn't help, then just try to press your power buttons as well as the volume buttons and see if your volumes are actually working fine, because you can see it's not in the silent mode. Make sure that it's not in silent mode as well, because when it is in silent mode you will not hear any sound as well. After that, what you might want to do is go ahead and then open up settings and go to about phone, then scroll down and go to reset. Now I'll just recommend you to reset all settings. Now see if your issue gets fixed after you reset all settings, because resetting all settings will only delete the settings that has been occupied after you purchase your phone. It's not going to delete the photos, contacts and so on. And if that doesn't work, then only I would recommend you to factory data erase, which means to fully reset your Android smartphone and then see if that does help solve your problem. If it doesn't, I'll just recommend you to take it to a nearby repair shop. Hope this video helped you answer your question. If it did help answer your question, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.